Okay, now the next part is limitations. Okay, limitations of Newland's law of octaves. Yesterday we studied some limitations, right? Similar to that, Newland is also having some limitations. This law, we will see what it is. First one, it was found that LOC I have written. What do you mean by LOC? Usually I used to send no list of candidates. Not that. This is law of octaves. Okay. It was found that law of octaves is applicable only till calcium. In this tabular column, if you see, till calcium I told they are lighter elements, and after calcium they are heavy elements. Till which element was discovered at that time? Thorium. Okay. So it was found that what? Law of octaves is applicable only till calcium. That is a drawback. Okay. Second point. It was assumed by Newlands that, it was assumed, it is not true. It was assumed by Newland that only 56 elements exist in nature and no more elements will be discovered in future. Okay. He came to know that 56 elements are there, but in future there will be no more elements, and he said, he assumed that there are only 56 elements. Now in future there will not be any elements. That is also not true, because now we know how many elements do we have. We have 118 elements. In future also many more elements can be added to this list, right? So what he said is incorrect. When noble gases were discovered, I was telling about noble gases, no? Noble gases, when it was discovered, it is also given one column. In case if I give one column here, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and then helium, if I add it here, this will be the 9th element. It will not be the 8th one, right? So what he said is wrong. In order to fit in the table, what he did, Newlands adjusted. He adjusted two elements in the same slot. See, sometimes we will also do that. Now we have two boxes. In one box we are filling it with pencils, and in the other box you are filling it with rubber, eraser. So when you are filling it, no, pencil it's filled and some gap is there, and in eraser box, no, you have filled that box and two more erasers are left over. What will you do? Instead of finding one more box, no, you will just put those erasers also inside this pencil box. No, we will adjust. Similar to that, he also adjusted. In order to fit in the table, Newlands adjusted two elements in the same slot. Which are the two elements? Cobalt and nickel. See, in this tabular column, I didn't mention this, no, first when I was explaining. Cobalt and nickel, he has put in the same slot. Okay, so that is also incorrect. Cobalt and nickel is placed with, see the place where he has kept hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, they are all halogens. But cobalt and nickel is having different properties, still he has put it in this group. So cobalt and nickel is placed with chlorine, bromine, fluorine, which have different properties. Iron is not there, no? You find it in your textbook where it is placed, okay? It is placed far away from cobalt and nickel. That's the reason I have not given. So cobalt and nickel is placed with hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine. But its friend, one more person, who is there? Iron is also having similar properties that of cobalt and nickel, that is placed far off. Okay, that is also incorrect. That is also a limitation, drawback. So these are the 5 points. Shall we have a quick recap? It was found that it is applicable only till calcium. That is first point. Second one, it was assumed that only 56 elements will be there. In future, no more elements will be discovered. That is also a drawback. In order to fit in the table, what did he do? He adjusted cobalt and nickel in the same slot. That is also a drawback. Cobalt and nickel is placed with which one? Chlorine, bromine, fluorine. They are all halogens which is having different properties. So that is also a drawback. Iron which is placed, which is having similar properties to that of cobalt and nickel, is placed far away. So these are the 5 limitations. Limitations are also important. They may ask in 2 marks, or in the 5 marks question it may be a sub question. So be careful. Okay, when you are studying, you should see. 3 things are very important in this. First one is law of octaves. Okay, law of octaves. When elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic masses, that word is a keyword. Increasing atomic masses, the properties of the 8th element are a repetition of the first element. Okay, that is very important. And then you should study this tabular column, Sari Gama Padani. In the other countries, how they will call? Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So, Le, Ti. So that you should study till calcium. Okay, to explain. And the limitations, 5 limitations are there in that. First one, only till calcium he was able to give. Second one, what he assumed was wrong. Third one, he adjusted. Fourth one, he placed in a different place. And the fifth one, similar things are placed in a different group. Okay. So these are the 5 points you should remember, and tomorrow we will study about the next person, a Russian scientist. Okay, and we will also study about his contribution to a periodic table. Bye.